Today we are going to make another mango recipe, that is mango upside down cake. First step of this cake is to make the sugar caramel. For that, get a flat pan like this and put sugar all over the pan. Add water to the level until all sugar is covered. Don't add too much water. Stir this under medium heat until all sugar is dissolved with water. When all sugar dissolves, stop stirring. Until caramel comes to the correct level, we need to rotate the pan like this. Keep the pan on the stove around 1 minute, get it and rotate. Repeat this until sugar gets dark brown and sticky. When the caramel is ready, pour it to your baking tray and rotate it like this. For the batter, mix flour with baking powder and baking soda and keep it aside. Now beat eggs and vanilla together. Gradually add sugar and beat until this gets creamy. Then add melted margarine. Now add milk. Finally add flour and mix well to combine. Then we need to place thin mango slices on the caramelized baking tray. After that, pour the cake batter to the baking tray. We need to bake this cake around 30 to 35 minutes under 170 degrees Celsius. I hope all of you will like this delicious cake. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Subscribe my channel and ring the bell too.